The challenge in real estate today is that most real estate agents are only showing homes that the buyer themselves can see online. This morning, we focus on giving access to our VIP buyers clients, homes that match the buyer's criteria that's hard to find online. For example, we are focusing on for sale by owners, bank foreclosure, short sales, expired, cancel, withdrawn, homes that match the criteria, that buyer's criteria that's not available on the internet. And how are we able to do that? And why most real estate agents don't do it? And the reason because most real estate agents don't know how to negotiate their own fees. So today we talk about negotiation, and so that way how it benefits our clients is that now our clients can get access to all homes that match their criteria that's not available on the internet. If you're a real estate agent and you're watching this, let me ask you this question. What if the buyers know the truth about you? And when I say that, I meant, what if the buyers know the truth that you, real estate agents, are only showing homes to the buyers, homes that the buyers already see online, homes that's already on the MLS. The buyers already seen it themselves on Zillow, on Trulia, on Realtor.com. So what's the value that you are bringing to that transaction? Are you just an order taker? Right? Because if you're an order taker, today is July 2018, then you'll be obsolete. The machine will replace you. If you don't know, if you're a real estate agent watching this, I'm inviting you to access our backstage tour of our team. I'm inviting you to stop by our training here so you can see how you can add value to your buyer's clients. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. So I can give you a backstage tour of our real estate sales team. I can show you how you can skill up on how to negotiate the buyer's broker fees, so you are not entitled to what's on the MLS. And now the whole world of inventories of homes are open up. You are no longer limited to only homes that's available on the MLS. Right? There's thousands of other homes that match your buying criteria that's not on the MLS. So I want to help you do that. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.